Today we're taking a look at the SoFi Technologies stock, ticker symbol SOFI, in anticipation of the upcoming Friday, June 23, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. Let's first begin with a brief overview and analysis of the stock in a general sense, and then following that, we will delve deeper into the stock's specific performance and action, focusing primarily on the upcoming trading day. On Thursday, June 22, 2023, the SoFi Technologies stock commenced trading at $8.54 and concluded at $8.49. Throughout the day, the stock price decreased by 1.62%, fluctuating from $8.63 to $8.49. Trading activity saw 29.4 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $251.1 million. The stock experienced a trading range between $8.35 as the lowest point and $8.69 as the highest point on the last trading day. Notably, this stock's 52-week high stands at $10.23, while its 52-week low rests at $4.24. When compared to the previous trading day, there were 8.3 million fewer shares traded, which is a good sign as the stock price decreased. Considering its risk level, this stock is categorized as slightly risky, carrying a quite high chance of distress. You should also know that the SoFi stock responds to the market. Insiders of SoFi are exhibiting a negative sentiment by selling more shares than they are purchasing. Over the past 100 trades, there were approximately 4.7 million shares bought, while around 6.2 million shares were sold. The most recent trade occurred 10 days ago when Webster Aaron bought 194.9 thousand shares. Overall, insiders of SoFi consistently tend to sell more stocks than they buy. Although there can be various reasons for this trend, it is generally perceived as a negative indication. While the long-term moving average of the SoFi Technologies stock indicates a buy signal, the short-term moving average, on the other hand, maintains a sell signal. Moreover, due to the short-term average being positioned above the long-term average, a buy signal is present for the stock, indicating a more optimistic forecast. You should also know that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, it generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable outlook. This stock has a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern with good 3-day accumulation. There is a bearish abandoned baby pattern and an evening doji star pattern forming on the 1-week time frame, both having high reliability and indicates a bearish reversal. Considering the technical indicators and the upcoming resumption of student loan payments in the fall, there is a possibility of a short-term rise in the stock price of SoFi Technologies. However, it is important to exercise caution due to the overbought relative strength index reading, which indicates that the stock might undergo a price correction before resuming its upward trend. Considering the current overall short-term trend, it is anticipated that there will be a rise in the stock price on the upcoming trading day. As of the last trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart is red. This indicates that the sellers, or in other words, the bears, dominated the trading session. The session was predominantly bearish, characterized by a trading volume of 29.4 million. This volume is 68% lower compared to the average volume typically observed for SoFi Technologies, which stands at 49.3 million. The stock is currently trading within the upper range of yearly prices. SoFi Technologies is trading below its 5 and 10-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. While it's trading above its 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a good sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing high volatility. The commodity channel index, stochastic, and Williams percent range indicators are neutral. While the average directional index, relative strength index, ultimate oscillator, rate of change, and stochastic indicators are all positive. At present, multiple technical indicators are aligning towards a positive signal, indicating a buy for the stock. However, it's important to recognize that relying solely on these technical indicators may not yield substantial outcomes. Let's now delve into the analysis and prediction of SoFi Technologies' price movement for the upcoming trading day, Friday, June 23, 2023. Bear in mind that if the stock price is below $8.51, there is a higher likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price is trading above $8.51, the possibility of an upside movement is higher. Based on the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for this stock is located at the $8.51 level. Additionally, it has support at the $8.33, $8.17, and $7.99 levels and resistance at the $8.67, $8.85, and $9.01 levels. Now, I will outline a few potential SoFi Technologies stock trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore other similar trades based on the information provided in this video thus far, depending on your bullish or bearish sentiment towards this stock. Remember that when a support level is breached, it often transforms into a resistance level. Similarly, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to act as a support level. For the bullish trade, consider opening a long position if within the first 30 minutes of trading, the stock continues to respect the $8.33 level as a support. Aim to enter the trade as close as possible to that support level, keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade SoFi Technologies, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $8.67. The second bullish trade involves monitoring whether the $8.67 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a support level for a considerable period. This scenario suggests a short-term bullish outlook, and in this case, consider taking a long position as close as possible to the new $8.67 support level. When it comes to taking profits on the second bullish trade, consider doing so around the next resistance level of $8.85. It is advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, rather than closing it entirely in one go. Incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. Now, for the bearish trade, if the stock continues to respect the $8.67 level as a resistance after at least 30 minutes of the market opening, it may be suitable for opening or adding to a short trade position near that resistance level. Keep in mind that this would be short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade SoFi Technologies, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $8.33 support level. In the second bearish trade, monitor if the $8.33 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario implies a short-term bearish outlook. In this case, consider taking a short trade position as close as possible to the new $8.33 resistance level. For taking profits on this second bearish trade, consider doing so around the next support level of $8.17. It is also advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves, rather than closing it entirely all at once. As mentioned previously, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.